In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Klaviyo with Canva, a powerful combination that can transform your email marketing efforts. By blending Canva's creative design capabilities with Klaviyo's robust email marketing tools, you can craft visually stunning email campaigns that capture attention and engage your audience effectively. Now, while Canva and Klaviyo don't directly integrate, following these straightforward steps will allow you to use both platforms seamlessly together. First, head over to canva.com and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're in, you can start creating your design. Whether you're a fan of templates or prefer designing from scratch, Canva's intuitive drag and drop editor makes it a breeze. For this demonstration, let's go with an email newsletter template available in Canva's extensive library. As you dive into designing your email, take the time to customize the template to fit your brand's identity. This might include adding your logo, uploading relevant images, inserting compelling text, and even placing interactive buttons. These elements play a vital role in reinforcing your brand's image and communicating your message effectively. An essential tip to keep in mind while designing is to maintain a clean and responsive design. This ensures that your email looks polished and professional, making it easy for your recipients to read and respond to. Once you're happy with your creation, you'll need to download your design as a PNG or JPEG file. This downloadable format will then be ready to transfer into your email campaign in Klaviyo. Next, head over to klaviyo.com and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate through the menu to Content, then Templates, and select Create Campaign. With this setup, you're prepared to integrate your Canva design into your Klaviyo email. Using Klaviyo's drag and drop editor, locate the image block feature, which will enable you to add your Canva creation directly into your email campaign. Click to upload the PNG or JPEG file you downloaded earlier. This step seamlessly incorporates your beautifully designed email into Klaviyo's framework, making it ready for deployment. Finally, it's crucial to ensure that your email design looks just as good on mobile as it does on desktop. With more people checking emails on their phones, a responsive design is key to engaging your audience wherever they are. Klaviyo provides a preview option for both desktop and mobile views, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments before sending. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can take advantage of Canva's design prowess and Klaviyo's email marketing strength to craft emails that not only look great but also deliver your message effectively. Thank you for watching and happy designing.